Here we have a 2020 Tige RZX 22. This has the exterior colors of white and the vivid turquoise paired with the black. This has the Tige M2 tower with the upgraded power icon speakers, giving you 4 speakers. It also has the bimini with surf storage on it. Comes with a tandem axle trailer. Does have the black swim platform. Does have a nice center walkthrough here. There's also a filler cushion. Covers this area to give you a full sun pad in the back here. Pop-up ski pylon with some storage for ropes on either side. This has the frost interior with the flint gray and black accents. Gray sea deck throughout the boat. Got the really nice step down so you can step down without stepping on your cushions. This boat has 60 hours on it. It's also got the smart wheel controls so you can control your entire wake system without it moving. It stays fixed so you always know where it's at. You also have controls for all your audio here. Wireless phone charger, with an additional USB aux port. The bow here, nice big sun pad with a removable cushion here, giving you the option to have a sun pad or be able to put your feet on the ground for those choppier days. This does have the reversible seat, so this seat here will flip backwards so you can face aft, watching all your riders. This cushion here also flips up facing backwards. Give yourself a full row. It does have 4 heater vents. One under the driver there, 2 on the side as well. This has the Raptor 400 in it. This boat is available for sale at SkipperBud's in Antioch, Illinois. My name is Ryan. Feel free to contact us at 847-395-6101. Thank you.